day, my name is Emmanuel Nyanuforo. I am a student in the MMMBSc Academy. Now I'm here to present to you how you can join in the MMMBSc community. This video will cover instructions on how to register, how to provide help, and how to get help. Now, to register, there are two ways of registering. But through the referral link of your invite, the person who invited you, when you click on that referral link, it's going to take you to a page where you fill a form that will enable you to register. Otherwise, you can get registered through the coordinators or the customer service representatives. And to do that, you will come to the page here, see where the command registration is. Immediately you roll your mouse over it, it turns red to show you. Now you click on that registration to take you to a form. Now in that form, you'll be needed to input your name, your email address, and your password. Your name, that name can be a nickname, can be your full name, then your email, your password, then you confirm your password, then you write your invite. If you don't have any invite, you leave it blank. How did you join us? How do you learn about us? Is it through friend? You click on this link, through another site, through video advertising, banners, and so on and so forth. Then this image link here, you will put it here, and then you put a mark on this button here, like this, to show that you have read the warning. You click here to read the warning. The warning is very important. It enables you to learn about the risk that you are going to be involved in to decide for yourself whether you want to go on or not. If you do that, when you get there, you now click on this button, register in MMM. When you click on this button, it's going to take you to a page that says your registration is successful. Then it will give you another button for you to now log into MMM. Now, because I already have an account, I will not need to create an account that I will not use. In MMM, you are allowed to have only one account. So, since I already have an account, no need to create another account. So, I just explained to you. Then, when you click on login, it's going to bring you to a page where you will be expected to input your email address and your password. Then you put the image, the same kind of image, this kind of image here will also be there. You put it in the provided opening, and then you click on login to open your account. Now, when you click on login, your account will open. This is the page I was telling you. So now you do now open my account. Now this is the MMBSc environment, the personal office of the participant, wherein you interact with MMBSc. Now, for you to, when you have finished registering, the next thing for you to do is to add your account. So, and to verify your email address. So first of all, let us verify our email address. To verify our email address, you come to this command, my page. It will see you will see a pull down options, and then you click on my page. You click on my page, it will open my page. Then you will see a space wherein you can insert your email address. First of all, to insert it, you come to this command here, verify email, and click it. It will give you the space where you insert your email address, and then you will see this button will show you verify email. You click it. When you click it, it will send you a code in your email address. Go to your email address, open that code, click that code, and your account will be verified. Now you have verified your account. The next thing for you to do is to add your account, and to do that, you come to the command account, you click it. When you click it, it will take you to a page where you can add the account. First of all, already I have an account, and MMBFC doesn't allow you to, have more than one address, one wallet address. So I cannot create another wallet address in addition to this, but I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. To do that, roll your mouse over this command add and click it. Then it will bring out a dialog box for you where you insert your wallet address, and make sure it is an ERIC 20 Ethereum compliant wallet address, because that is the only kind of wallet address that is acceptable in MMBSC, because MMBSC makes use of a token that is ERIC 20 compliant that runs on the Ethereum smart contract blockchain, and that coin or that token is called PAX. PAX is a coin that is issued by Paxos company, a company in USA that is regulated by the US Federal Financial Regulatory Body. They have in their votes an equivalent amount of PAX that is issuing that it can be used to convert your PAX to dollar anytime that you want. So, and PAX is a stable coin. It is not subject to the volatility of other coins like Bitcoin and so on, which is the reason why we are not using Bitcoin. We want our participants to have peace of mind so that they will not be disturbed because of the volatility of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So we use PAX in the system. Now you have to add that account, and then when you add that account, you have to verify that account. To verify it, on that same dialog box, you will see an instruction how you will verify it. You will see in that instruction that you will be expected to send 0.001 Ethereum coin, not PAX this time, in order to verify this account, this wallet address. Reason is because this is the only wallet address that is recognized in the system, and that is the only wallet address that you can use to receive help whenever you want to receive help. You can use other PAX address to send, provide help, but you can only use this one to receive. That is the reason why you must verify this one. So to verify it, you have to look for a wallet that can, that meets up, that is compliant to the ERIC 20 wallet. And then the wallet we use is the MetaTask. We have the myethereum.com, we have InToken, and so on and so forth. So the most easiest one to use is InToken. So you have to first of all go to your Google apps and download InToken. But InToken is for mobile apps, for mobile phones. You cannot use it on the web. But if your interest is on the web, then you will need to download, you need to go to myetherwallet.com or MetaMask or other ones and use them. Open an account, create an account there, and then create an account there, and then send 0.002 Ethereum to that new wallet account you just created. To enable you, send 0.001 Ethereum to verify your account in BSC. The reason why you have to make it up to that is because you will need to pay gas and you don't need to be shortfalled. So now when you have done that, they will give you a form where you have to, when you have done that, you click verify. When you click verify, then the system will confirm reception of that coin, and then will tell you that your account is verified. So at this point, your account has been verified, and you will see the word written here, verified. Now, after verifying your account, the next thing is to provide help. Now, to provide help, you go to your dashboard and buy Mavro. This is one of the difference between MMBSC, smart contract platform, and other ones. Now, this buy Mavro, if you look, you will see some key things here. You have jackpot, fund of refund, preparatory jackpot, and expository funds. Now, the purpose of this is to ensure stability of MMBSA and to remove panic or any other thing, and to ensure longevity of this platform. Now, to do that, you have to buy Mavro of 2% of any other amount, any amount you want to PH. Let us say, for instance, you want to PH $2. Now, to PH $2, you want to PH $100. 2% of $100 is $2. So you have to click on Buy Mavro. Then the option, the box will be provided for you, where you have to when your Buy Mavro is active, you click on Buy Mavro. You will see a box which will now give you a field where you can enter the amount you want to buy. Say 2 packs, you put 2 packs, then enter this image here, 741458, and then click Buy Now. Because I'm not going to buy, so I cancel. So now that will give you the opportunity to PH. When you have bought Mavro, you can now provide help. You come here, click Provide Help. You now read the warning and put a tick there. Then you now click Next. Then impute the amount. Select the currency you want to use, which is packs. Select packs. Then put your $100. And then you come here and click Next. When you click Next, it will now put the order here. You now put the order here for you to be, because I'm not going to put it, so I have to submit just to explain to you. So now that is all about how to provide help. Once you provide that help, within few seconds they will send you an order that looks like this. Something that looks like this, where you will be asked to pay 50% of that order that you want to pay. Just pay like 50. So you now come here, click on the address. This is the address. You copy this address to the clipboard, put it in your mToken wallet, as the case may be, and then send the money to this account. Once you have done that, then you wait a little bit for the system and watch if the system has confirmed. Once the system confirms, you now come here and you click I have paid. When you say I have paid, then the system will record that you have already paid, and then you see your money will now be listed here like this, that you have paid like 50% of the Mavro that you have pledged to provide help. So now once that happens, you have provided your help. Now immediately you finish providing that help, then your account will look like this. You will see that your account will be frozen for 15 days. When that account is frozen for 15 days, once it's done 15 days, you can now get help. And then to get help, you have to come back and look at it. It will be like this for 15 days, and the days will count. Once it's 15 days, you can now come to your dashboard for you to get help. Before you can get help, you have to pH 50% of the exact amount you have pH